Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Shit. Oh, I'm a pig? Oh, shit. This is not good. I love pigs. I love pigs. And I am one. But I love eating pigs. And they say you are what you eat. I am a pig. I eat pig, and I am a pig. Amanda was right. Oh, this sucks. Why does everybody want to eat me? They don't deserve to eat me. I got fucking feelings, you fuckers. Eat someone else. Don't eat me. I'm not so bad. I'm nice. I'm a nice fucking pig. Pigs are cool, man. Humans suck.
Citizens reporting a 240 on Greenwich Parkway.
Copy this, Control 6. We'll keep right.
Yeah, what's back? Hey, what's up? Miranda, okay, you fucking no problem.
Suspect last seen on Greenwich Parkway in South Florida.